Okay, guys, sorry. Welcome back to my channel. My Actually, the device I was using to hotspot my system, I didn't know it wasn't plugged in, so it went off. Apologies to the guys that was following me up on the live streaming. I don't know how YouTube is going to do this, but I hope YouTube can get you guys back on. You know, but let's see. Let's see. I hope YouTube can get you guys back on, or I hope you guys can still get to see this. So this is the essence why I always say that people should subscribe. It's yes, when you subscribe, it's good for my channel. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, right? But at the same time, it's good for you because right now, when we have this kind of issues where maybe like the live streaming goes off, or in a situation whereby I want to go online to live stream a particular trading session, it only makes sense that when you are online, right? When you're online, you will get a notification. If you subscribe to the channel, you get a notification, right? So I want to apologize for the previous live streaming that went off. It wasn't my plan at all. I didn't know the device wasn't plugged in, so yeah, apologies on that. So yeah, well, let's see what the market is still playing out, doing its thing. But let's see how this goes. I took out time to say a couple of things. When in the previous live streaming, I said a couple of things, which was centered around the trading mindset, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. Okay, I feel a bit bad. I feel a bit bad right about now because that previous stream, I think I said a lot. I said a lot of things, to be quite frank, and it's quite unfortunate that whenever I come live like this, And I'm in the mood where I just want to talk and give back to you guys and pretty much share some experiences or some of my humble um, views. And also it feels bad because, or I feel bad because of the fact that I just think I don't have enough viewers, actually gaining from it. And at the end of the day, the live streaming tends to get so long. But I can't do much about that. At this point, my network is now my problem. Yeah, this so stupid.
Soon, streaming in Africa will never be the same. Introducing the new Showmax with loads more content from the world's biggest studios, even more exclusive originals, and all three AC Live Premier League matches for an unbeatable price. It's streaming for Africa, coming this Feb.
Okay, so I think the market is reacted off from that level there. What's up now? Oh, come on. That's the level the market reacted off from. Apologies if you guys are experiencing some difficulty view my stream section. So another thing that I noticed is I don't really like Friday sessions. It's quite the price action on Fridays are quite very annoying sometimes. Very annoying things you get. But one thing I can guarantee for sure is that we are not going to take any random trades unless we are sure of the setup. And what I mean, being sure doesn't guarantee that it's going to be a winner. Just so you guys know. Just so you know. But the point is for us to win, right? So we are not going to be making careless decisions. So this is another flow here which we can pay an attention to. This is what I don't want the market to do. If the market, if if we are hoping to buy at this level, I wouldn't want the market to be doing this. At least not at that level. At least not at that level. Right? I'm going to delete this. I don't think I'll. Well, I'll just leave it just for the sake of record keeping. Okay, yeah. The market is breaking further up. So we don't need that guy anymore. We can look at entering an order from this level here. I know I promised myself I will not trade on my challenge account again, and I promised myself, and I'm going to stick with that promise. So, regardless of whatever happens, I will not open my funded next challenge account. Rather, I will be trading with my other account on XNES. That's where I will be executing any further trades on. So this is what I'll be looking out for right now, based on the market's setup. This is what I'll be looking out for. This is what I'll be looking out for. This is one first, and there's another imbalance there. So this is the imbalance the market bounced off from, and there's another imbalance created just right inside of here, as you guys can see. Right, so this is my entry. Let me first of all remember, get the pips out first. 8.5, 8.5, that will give us 0.01 pips. Okay, which is good. This is good. I'll copy my price, our entry price. I'll go to XNS. I'll go to XNS, baby. I'll go for a buy, pending order. Buying at this price level. And our stop loss is at this level here. So our stop loss is here. So we have a pending order right now at this level. So since we have a pending order, we'll have to look for at what level do we intend to take our profit at. We'll just have to look at the left again. Well, the only level I can think of right now is this level right here. This is 1:5. This is 1:5. So yeah, this is it, guys. Nobody is so sad. Nobody is watching me live, and this is how people miss opportunities. Let's not get excited here. It's not like I'm sure the market is going to do what I have. in mind, but it looks like a good setup to me. It looks like a good setup to me. So I'm attacking the market like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So my take profit is lying above here. I'll just get a horizontal ray out for that. And let me get the text out for you guys, for the guys that are interested in what we're doing here. So the amount at risk first is 91 cents. It's 91 cents, right? So make it this light red. This is the standard lot size we're using on that, just so you know. I hope they don't flip at that level, but I doubt if they will flip at that level. Where is our test? This is our standard lot size. I'll make this a dark yellow. This is our standard lot size. Let's keep it here. Then our stop loss. Our take profit is at our take profit will be at this level. So this is what I'm looking out for. This is what I'm looking out for. That's what I'm looking out for. Let's see if we're going to get triggered. raise. Let's get triggered, peoples. This should be my last attempt on the London session. So if the market decides to go further up without triggering our order, I will just close the order and we'll just have to close the stream and wait for New York session. So this is where I have my pending order anyway, just so you know. And I know some will be wondering, why am I risking so much small amount? Well, that's the only way to learn. That's the only way to learn. You don't learn with risking huge amounts of your capital. You only learn by doing paper trading first. But I've done paper trading and I have a strategy, right? The only thing that I need to work on is on my risk. And this is not me being proud, but I think I have a substantial amount of knowledge around, technical analysis. Substantial amount, like the kind of amount that is enough to be able to execute trades, and not only execute trades, you execute trades in accordance to some set of rules, and not you just gambling in the market. If for anything, I hate Friday price action. I just hate Friday price action. It's annoying. It's slow. It's everything that I don't like. And that's why I don't like exposing myself much on Fridays in the market. That's why I use a very small amount of lot sizes. Okay, I think that setup is about to be invalidated, right? So, oh, the market didn't tap into our order again. Hmm. This Friday is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting Friday. Okay, so I'm going to make adjustments real quick. This is not valid anymore, so I'm removing that. So this is the level I'm talking about. This is 5.9. I just have to come here. 5.9. Calculate. So this is the standard loss size I'll be using. It's still on 0.01. So I just have to make adjustments to my entry price and my, how can I do that here? Okay, my opening price, change it to this, modify, then my stop loss will modify that. Ideally it's meant to be here. Here is meant to be my stop loss, but I'm going to give it a very small breathing space. So I'm going to place it on this candle close here. And here will be my stop loss. There is my stop loss. 6.1. 6.1. Let's see if we're going to get triggered. As usual, my TP is all the way here. So this is the guy. Ooh. This market, this price action is quite interesting. For every pending order we have, for some reason they don't want to tap into it. They just don't want us to participate in the market today. They don't want us to participate. They just want to keep on moving the market up without us. And the funny thing is that I'm bullish also, But for some reason, they don't want us to participate. They just want to be selfish. They don't want to share with us. They should try and share with us, Share the goodies with us, you know what I'm saying? But they are quite stingy. They don't want to share. They want the whole money by themselves. That's not good.
You cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. The fears are paper tigers. You can do anything you decide to do. You can act to change and control your life.
Yeah.
The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity.
Are you a load of cocoa? The ways on the get the bag. These number for this land, yeah. Been CBA one name updates, cause in way, can't live wakana. Abukunin with size, yeah. Gay ganjibia, I know the 5% trouble, my nature, Takomo, but legacy and a back. Strong man, not a gap, yeah. Action no guy Egyptia, steady bombing up, but some of the ladders to pray, nigga, what I see up with that. Am I ever giving up? No. Can never fold, no. I've been living my life on the low, just in my dough. Option, leave me alone. When you see me in my zone, stop calling my phone. I just wanna be on my own. It's a cold world, yeah. So I smoke up, yeah. Yeah. Lost two niggas this year. You dub your money now in the grave. How can I think of fame, I think a dream, but we'll never see them again. I smoke and sip codeine, the man was sober. That's when I feel the pain. My bro, it's a crazy world, and sometimes I do go insane. The goal is to get speed. I dance with even man in the pulpit. I'm allergic to bullshit. Them man la lola till them, but then I'm sleep. Fast in the mama, so I can pull up a sofa to Banana Girls. I wanna see mama poor. I can't just put you like track a poor. You know, I'm going from grass to grace, but I didn't run my race. No man can take the energy. When they get one but die, yeah. I can the